So the issue I have is then I'm switching master volumes from 1 to 2. Amp is on, but the light starts flashing sometime. I don't know.